How y'all doing? Welcome to Woodshed Antiques. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been around a while and you continue to show up to support the channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As always, like, share, and subscribe. That helps to grow the channel. It allows me to keep chasing this dream. Before you swipe away, today we have a big announcement and a giveaway that's included with that announcement. So you're going to want to stay tuned. You're going to want to watch the video in its entirety so that you get all the information you need to make sure you qualify. I'm super pumped about this announcement. I've had this set of plans here, the first set, for about, well, I got them just before COVID, and then COVID hit and things changed, and I didn't build it. I was working at the garage at the time, out of the garage at the time, and without heat, it's not possible to do this during the winter. So things have changed, and now we have 3 sets of these plans. We're getting ready. We're starting to build them. We're going to start this weekend. And now I know you're asking, what are we building? These are hollow core wooden stand-up paddle boards. They're absolutely gorgeous. I took a lot of time when I was researching these. I researched quite a few different designs and patterns, and most of them I really thought were kind of janky. The company that I went with was Silver Stand-Up Paddle Boards. Now, I'm not affiliated with Silver Stand-Up Paddle Boards. I purchased my own sets of plans. I've got 3 sets for 3 different sizes. I'm hoping by the end of this video series, you'll be able to go out, purchase your own set of plans, build your own stand-up paddleboard from scratch, and have the confidence to do that. Now, you're gonna follow along. I'm gonna build my first one. I've not built one of these yet, but we're going for it, right? I'm starting this weekend. So here's the giveaway part of this announcement. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So my deal for you is if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, if you can like, share, and subscribe to this video series and each one of the videos that we put out, and we can get to 1,000 subscribers by the time these boards are built, I will give away a custom stand-up paddleboard to one of you for your support and supporting me in my dream of chasing this build series. I've actually, for my birthday, got another set. It's not stand-up paddle boards. It's another wood product, and I'm super pumped to start this winter. We're going to jump right into that after this, but that's another video. So like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to put an Easter egg in each video for you to find and to comment on. Comment when you find the Easter egg in each of those videos, and we're going to start this weekend. With that, thank you for your time. Thank you for your consideration, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.